Everyone's talking about making money with AI, but let's be real. Most people are just repeating the same tired ideas. What if I told you there are AI side hustles so under the radar, even full-time freelancers don't know about them? Stick around, because the third one is so powerful, it could make you the only person offering it in your entire city. Alright, let's dive right in with side hustle number 1, the micro AI service. Think of this like a done-for-you AI mini project. Instead of offering generic AI work, you specialize in a microservice. For example, building AI-generated menus for restaurants or creating personalized chatbot scripts for small businesses. You can do this using free tools like ChatGPT or Claude, package it up in a clean PDF, and charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per job. Why does this work? Because local businesses don't have the time or the patience to learn AI tools. You're not just selling a service, you're selling time. And trust me, that's worth a lot. Moving on. Side hustle number 2, the digital asset flip. Here's the game. Use AI to create editable digital products. Think Canva templates, ebook layouts, printable planners. Upload them to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. Once your product's live, it sells over and over again without you lifting a finger. The best part? You can niche down. Wedding templates, teacher planners, fitness trackers, whatever you're into. AI does the heavy lifting. You focus on listing and marketing. Now, this last one is seriously next level. Side hustle number 3, the hyper-niche AI content factory. Instead of competing with massive content creators, you pick a tiny niche, like cat health tips, RV travel hacks, or vintage car restoration. Then you use AI tools to script, voice, and even edit content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, all on autopilot. Because the niche is so small, you can dominate quickly, and advertisers pay premium rates for targeted audiences. It's like becoming the go-to expert overnight. So which of these AI side hustles would you start today? Drop your pick in the comments. I read every one of them. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button so YouTube knows to share it with more people who want financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe. I've got an upcoming video revealing 5 AI tools making people rich in 2025, and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Remember, AI is just the tool. The real magic is how you use it. See you in the next one.